Hi there. Thanks for joining me today. I have a quick tip for you that I hope that you find as useful as I have, and that is how to die cut stamped images perfectly centered every time. So let me show you how to do that. So I have got a piece of scrap of basic black cardstock and basic white cardstock. The basic white, we're going to go ahead and stamp our images. So for me, there are certain images that I struggle with lining up evenly every time. So instead of doing it 3 or 4 times trying to get it right, this tip is really helpful. So I stamped my palm trees. Palm trees is one of the ones I can always get my pom poms lined up, but I really struggle with the trunks. So we are going to fix that. So now we're going to take our basic blacks or whatever color you would like to use. I just grabbed the basic black, and we're going to put that on our Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine with our palm tree dies, and we're going to run this through and make a template. So save your templates because you can put them in your stamp case or in with your dies. That way you don't ever have to cut it again. It's already done for you, or you've already made. And voila. So we're going to save this because you can always use this on another card. So then here's our template that we're going to use. So we're going to bring in our stamp image, just like so. And then we're going to line this up. Let me put my glasses on so that helps me to see a little bit better. And then you're just going to line this. And when you get it to where you want it to be, I usually take some washi tape. Of course, you can use whatever it is that you like to use the best. And I think that that looks pretty good. I just put that down like so to kind of keep this from sliding on me. And then I'm going to come in with our die, and then that just snaps right into place. Just like that. So that snaps down in those grooves. You know that you have it lined up. And then you can use your washi tape to hold that in place just to help it. And then you're going to put your cutting plate on top and just run it through. Oh, stop. Through that with that. And then there we go. So there is our perfectly die cut image. So isn't that really cool? I really love this tip. This tip has helped me save time and cardstock. So I hope that you find this useful. Be sure to save your templates so that you can reuse them again and again. And thanks for joining me. And I hope that you have a wonderful day. Doodly-doo.